Oh, we're going to create a new folder called
I'll call it
November 11.
there. Open up Visual Studio Code.
Open up Visual Studio Code.
Click on the Explorer.
Click on the Explorer.
Folder.
Click on Open
There
Folder.
it is right there. Click
And
on
you see
that.
November 11/1. Double click on that. And you see November 11/1 on the Explorer.
We'll call this norm.
We'll call this norm.py. This
Enter.
is a new file. Hit Enter.
Don't do anything yet. Discovering. So right now it's using this interpreter.
So let's go ahead and
Enter.
open up the new terminal.
It's going to take you to the folder.
It's going to take you to the folder.
Do
November 11/1.
which time virtual environment.
And this is not going to work. So you're going to have to go. You're going to have to do a Python 3 -m virtual environment, and we'll name it norm demo in env. And you see that it shows up right here. Now with that done, we're going to install the pandas into that virtual environment. And then we're going to install OpenPyXL into that virtual environment. Here's some of the formulae. We're going to paste this in, put that in there, and then we're going to put the two Excel files in there, and you have to put it you have to put it in the, let's see, so if you try to run it, it's going to say, doesn't work. We're going to have to move to Excel files outside of the norm demo environment. And then try to run it again.
And there it is.
And then there it is, outer.join.
Right there.